possibilities of change, of hope, and of success. How often do we explore possibilities? How often do we rebuke our doubts and endeavor to find meaning? How often do we take up challenges anew? Because when we explore possibilities, we create new avenues. When we overcome doubt, we create hope for the better. And when we take up challenges, we find true success. Perhaps not always as a win, but certainly as a way to move forward. Come, explore the many possibilities at the Generations A-Level Open House.